Alright, hey, what's up you guys? Dave here. Welcome to my channel. I create stuff, I screen print, paint, build, all of that stuff. So today, today's video, we are going to do vinyl lettering onto glass, like for like a picture frame kind of thing. So something like this. A good gift idea. Or something for your home. And I'm just going to use this one. Nice simple frame. It's chrome on the side. You can put it on the desk. You can hang it. Okay. So we're going to apply vinyl here. Maybe just like a stain of some sort. That is the goal for today. Here we go. My next move is going to, I'm going to get rid of this background. Easiest way is I'm going to do a white background because I'm going to end up doing black lettering. Piece of paper. Boom. Or you can do, if you have black paper, put black back there and do white lettering. I now have a white background. Okay. Black and black. There you go. White background. Now to come up with a saying to go here. So once you have your frame, you have your background set up. Remember, we're going to do black lettering. It's actually going to look good. There's a black frame already on there. We're going to come up with a saying now, next. Alright, so I've been trying to think of what we're going to put on the glass, and I think I got it. I mean, you can't go wrong with do what you love. We're gonna do that. Do what you love. Alright? So I have vinyl ready, we have the frame ready, we have our saying ready. Now I have to measure. Alright, so let me see. If we split up all the wording, I'm gonna try to fit it in within 7.5 inches in height. And then we just have to make sure it doesn't go past 6.5 inches in width. Hold on. This is what we're going to cut out of the vinyl. So all the black you see will be black vinyl onto the glass here. Okay, so I'm going to work on the lettering on the setup because I'm not really liking this. But I'll figure it out and I will be right back. All right, now that we have our letters ready and our design laid out, we are gonna cut the vinyl. I already have it set up on the computer, so I'm gonna send it to the cutter. I'm cutting 3 designs, one for the current frame that we have for this video, and 2 more I'm gonna put on because I have a couple more frames. So I'll put 2 more on. If you would like one, just let me know. I will gladly ship it to you for some dinero. Yeah, just let me know though. I will have 2 extra. But I do have a pile of frames, and if you think you want one of these maybe as a gift for somebody or some decor for your home, let me know. I can make custom lettering, images, stuff like that for these. So as this is cutting, just keep in mind if you have any questions, just let me know. As soon as this cuts, I will get to the next step, which is weeding the vinyl, and then we'll get closer to applying the vinyl to the frame. Alright, so now that we have the vinyl cut, we have to weed it. So that is my next move. There's a lot of ways to do this. I personally like to weed these, per wording. Plus, it's been a little chilly in my room, so the vinyl is kind of cold. You want warmer conditions. Sometimes it's easier to weed. So, for example, one of the words. Alright, so Just gonna have to do that now to everything else. I'll do one more and then I will finish and come back. But so that you can see. All right, so I'm gonna weed the rest and I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so I got it all weeded out. Do what you love. All right. Now the next step is to apply transfer tape. But okay, so look, here's the transfer tape, right? So I'm gonna pull out as much as I need for this, which isn't too much. So I'm gonna go right there. And you just apply it down. Okie doke. Give it a little run. I've done this without all these tools before. I've just done it so often that, you know, when you need stuff, you just buy as you go. But here's the lettering. Lettering's ready. Now I'm going to cut this out because I'm going to use it. This is all I need to apply it to that frame. Okay, so that's all I need. All right. This is going to go on the frame now. So get your frame. Okay. So here's our frame. All right. Back, look, you can have it sit on your desk, hang it on the wall. So we'll do this. And then your lettering is going to go in here. You just have to center it pretty much and rock and roll. I think I'm just going to wing it and try to put it on there as one. So let's go for it. Don't mess up, Dave. Don't mess up. So we'll try to make what as center as possible. No, I think it's you that's centered, yeah. So we'll do you. How does that look? Pretty good, huh? Let's go for it. So once you have that down, now you just have to squeegee it all down. So you see the transfer tape just transfers it over to the surface you are applying the vinyl. And then you just peel this off. Voila! There you go. There you have it. That is how you design, cut, and apply vinyl to picture frame, glass. You know, you can apply vinyl to a lot of things, cups, stuff like that. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you want to see vinyl put on something else, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like it, share. That was the chair. That was it. I didn't fart. Subscribe. Yeah. Let me know though in the comments if you like this video though, and if you want to see, you know, more vinyl put on something. Give me a shout out. This came out pretty good. Do what you love. Maybe I'll hang it somewhere, take a picture. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again.